The American School of English presents When A Has an Aw Sound, brought to you by Amsen Kashihara. Of course, in my 9 sounds of A video, I covered one of the 9 sounds of the letter A, being the aw sound. It's actually a regional thing. You'll hear it a lot in the mid-Atlantic region, especially in New York City. And me being from New York City will attest to the aw sound in certain words. This use of phonetic respellings to indicate dialect features of New York City English, most commonly aw, for the tensed version of the low back vowel, tawk for talk, wawk for walk, cawfee for coffee, just to name or pronounce a few. In this video, you'll notice some vowel shifts as well as consonant shifts. Example, the U taking a short I sound, or what's supposed to be a T sound taking on the D sound. Sit back, repeat, and learn a little bit about the New York City accent. Hey yo, let's do this. Talk, pronounced talk. Talk. Tall, pronounced tall. Tall. Coffee, pronounced coffee. Coffee. Caught, pronounced caught. Caught. Call, pronounced call. Call. Chalk, pronounced chalk. Chalk. All, pronounced all. All. Thought, pronounced thought. Thought. Dog, pronounced dog. Dog. Broadway, pronounced Broadway. Broadway. Cloth, pronounced cloth. Cloth. Taught, pronounced taught. Taught. Cross, pronounced cross. Cross. August, pronounced August. August. Cough, pronounced cough. Cough. Sauce, pronounced sauce. Sauce. Off, pronounced off. Off. Long, pronounced long. Long. Daughter, pronounced daughter. Daughter. Boss, pronounced boss. Boss. Sausage, pronounced sausage. Sausage. Naughty, pronounced naughty. Naughty. Ball, pronounced ball. Ball. Always, pronounced always. Always. And that does it for our New York City accent learning for today. Tune in next time for some more New York City accent learning. Until next time, forget about it.